What makes the Hubbard Management System different from other management systems? Have you ever wondered what sets the Hubbard Management System apart from other management methods? This system, developed by L. Ron Hubbard, is distinct in its approach and application. Unlike many traditional management systems that focus on broad business principles, the Hubbard Management System was specifically created to meet the needs of organizations within the framework of Scientology. At its foundation, this system emphasizes the importance of clearly defined roles and responsibilities. One of its key tools is the organizing board. This visual tool maps out every necessary function for a group to operate smoothly. It is not just a simple chart. It serves as a dynamic guide that helps ensure all tasks and positions are clearly identified and filled. This clarity reduces confusion and overlap, which is often a challenge in many organizations. Another unique aspect is the concept of conditions of existence. These are specific states that individuals or groups can experience, ranging from non-existence to affluence. For each condition, L. Ron Hubbard outlined specific actions to take, creating a step-by-step method for improvement. This detailed approach contrasts with the more general assessments found in many other management systems. The Hubbard Management System also focuses on how individuals function best within a group. It provides practical tools and policies to help staff and volunteers work efficiently and communicate effectively. These policies are standardized, making them easy to implement across various organizations. From the perspective of Scientology, this management system is viewed as essential for the effective operation of its organizations. It is considered a practical application of Hubbard's research into human behavior and group dynamics. This makes it particularly suited to the specific needs of Scientology groups. In practice, the Hubbard Management System is utilized for training staff, organizing events, managing resources, and ensuring that all parts of a Scientology organization work as intended. Its structured approach helps groups avoid common management issues and achieve their objectives more reliably. Overall, the Hubbard Management System stands out due to its specific origins, its use of the organizing board, and its detailed conditions of existence. These elements, combined with practical policies, create a unique management tool tailored to the needs of Scientology organizations.